Monica is crying for my old age. Let's hear it. Because I got to say I go find her, keep. You could see how she didn't cry for my old age. So, she's crying for my old age, Barara. She's crying for my old age, Barara. She's crying for my old age, Barara. See, person, when you want to enjoy old age, by this age when it is, so see cutting when they house, yeah. See house. Person when you want to enjoy old age, see house. The house is moody. See, see cutting when they house. Oh yeah, let's go. Let me press it. You want to cry.
Pay for some therapy. Why? Like people like Lovely now for Netherlands, those ones they're not free. They will take wash and yash. And you know, say person like Lovely, they make a karakaisha woman. He no go sick now. You understand? So he go there, yeah, say that yash you go come me fara if he get up.
You see the page, she's so confused because I debunk her because her child dropped out from school. That's why she's crying, because she don't like to see the truth. She's crying and she's going to cry for me. You know, guys, you know I love this. I love when our old people are crying. Empty vessel. So yeah, let's go. Okay.
Now as we government give her to baby can't dey there. Because she now not go say she want go make children come renovate it. Government ask for her. No. You see her? Then government go clean Lovely nyash. It never work. Nothing. You understand? So the only difference now be say Lovely don't spend almost 30 years for Netherlands with Netherlands passport. He never travel anywhere. All the travel where they say he travel now months, nothing. You don't understand? So when by the time when you can't reach old age, that they clean the nyash for her, you can't remember. My passport. I don't even use a go anywhere. Anywhere that they say they clean my nyash, they go clean everybody nyash. Oh. Hey! Some of them need now my mom-in-law sister of 48 years till they go twice a month. Yes. You understand? As I they talk and just now say they go clean Lovely nyash. Maybe as Lovely tall now, he make can like that. If leg, no say sometimes now say now only those we fat. Now go get problem. No, some we still make gang. Go be like say they can't get gang leg. They also need therapy for that leg to the physiotherapy to massage them. That one government no go pay. That one now you go take by yourself where you get. If government pay maybe once in a year, then they'll take give you appointment. So as it be say you get your money, you go take by yourself, do private one, they'll come massage them, do everything. Those are the different. When you see somebody they hand, they'll still paint some fine money. When you see somebody they ain't go be like they work for inside mush.
No, na see her do. She never would do. Her hand is so disgusting. Good morning, how you do? Actually, they cry for my hand, for my nyash when she go come help me wash later. She go use old age come wash my nyash. And if I'm old, maybe they will ask, Lovely, which country do you want to go to wash your nyash? I will tell them that I'm coming to England. Which city do you want to stay? I will tell them that I want to stay breakfast so that she will wash my nyash. Because she must wash my nyash. Do you know what happened? Actually, do you know she was making noise on social media that her daughter, she's in university when her daughter dropped out of school. She dropped college. Then I did a video. I found the video. And then I played the video on my platform. Then I explained to people, this is what happened. Then when she see the video, she start crying. Now she's crying about old age. If I should old, how am I going to take care of myself? That the Netherlands government, they are going to take care of me free. Did you see that? Then I'm very happy. I don't wake up. I want to see they sleep by this time. Me when it grow picking, yeah, by this time, I'll see they sleep. Me when take care of picking, come reach age, when come be say, I love they wake up again. I don't wake up this morning. Are they ready to go out? Oh yeah.
You don't get money to take maintenance. Nobody go maintenance.
Okay.
All those. When you see somebody today, you know fit baba hair again. You go take by say cotton ye jackie. Not the fit cost salon class. You don't get money. People like the lovely way government go. You know say lovely now go to say government they give me money I know I take the manager. I know when you don't old, you can't hide any finance from.
Yeah, she's crying.
Government anymore.
She's crying.
You can't hide it because now they your system. So that time, no cost extra money. We anyone we could call at the museum. Because person not they go buy something.
My people, now she felt us say now 50 euro that they give me every month too. 50 euro. Person when that they give her 50 euro every month, wait till they leave. He go fee hide the money again. She's crying. Say, I want to go do shopping. See money. See money. When I want to go do shopping. You see, now she say, hey, my people, actually, love it. We have been on this social media for years now. Do I ever came out and shout that I travel to this place, I travel to this place? Me, every summer, I think I spend like 3 weeks without no doing video. People say, I love you travel. I say, yes, I travel for the same country. I know they go out of Netherlands. You see, I say, I travel inside this country. Now, they do my vacation. I don't travel out of this country. She say, me the thought say, I travel. I know they lie. I don't know how to lie because I don't love controlling something. I can't explain myself. Now, person when he frustrates, as she take frustrate so. Now, he make her, they always, they explain. Like me now, you cannot bring me out now, say, lovely, come and explain Netherlands passport. I don't take my Netherlands passport almost 12 years. Then I want to explain Netherlands passport almost 12 years when I take. Now I can't explain that today. Yeah? Now people that is frustrated, now they explain. See person when she say for old age, she know we suffer. Look at the house where she live. Look at her curtain. See her curtain. You see her curtain. Look. Somebody will want to enjoy old age. Look. She's already suffering. Okay, let's go. So that I don't want to take. Okay. You there here. I never one day say now so I can travel go this thing. Now so I can travel go that place. Now so I can I know they lie. Because me, I was not born with lie. You know the life of our family. Okay. She say I travel. This house, This house they pay now. Since when I tell her say this house, now Oyibo, now he buy this house for me. My Oyibo, now she dey cry, come put today. Lovette, I bet today's date, let me write am down. There is a place in this house when I want renovate. If I renovate am, I go prove am to them say, now me get this house. If I can renovate am, he go come see am because she say, the house when I dey, if you dey government house, if you dey government house now dey, you see am, say there is no way if you get your own house, now you will feel renovate your house. I want to let her know that this house belongs to me. You dey here, so when I renovate a part in this house, now there people will say, wow, now lovely true get this house. If I renovate a part for this house where you see so, I go renovate am. There is a part when you go renovate for house. People will confirm and say, now this person true get this house. And that is what I'm going to tell her. She's crying for this house over many years. I get to Igbo, just they cry. I am all the listening. Hey, for love, good morning. I say I go find the video yesterday. I go find the video. No, see, I stay the cry. She said she want to come wash my nails.
Not for you without the known. The system will constantly different. Eh? Champagne no pay. I know, say, this one now, you go cry put for 1,191 years.
Everybody know that you are fooling yourself. All the whole live video presenter, the commenter, your fans, they all know that you are crying. I will bring it. I will analyze it. Then I will prove it to you that I'm 100% better than you. I will be living cool life. Don't see the way when you take dry. See where you live. See, look at the place where person live. Council house or motontone. If you can't see the place where motontone, you will say, oh my God, who pour coffee for you? Pour coffee for you. My brother, my sister, I will coffee. I be na war. Now therefore they make coffee. You when they give a castle house. You see that house when you dey so, eh? Say I go ask for castle house. Castle go give me that house. Lie. I know they carry. Where? Oh, listen.
Money no dey. Eh now.
Oh, we don't.
At the end, then go cancel the if the person die. Back or not too important and good health and enjoyment. I'm telling you. Eh? Hey, you just dey cry.
She never dey cry. Oh. She say if you buy house, if you cut the old, they go come sell the house. They'll come use and take wash your nash. Lovely when they government house. Lovely, they no go. You go dey there. Government go dey take care of her. Blah blah blah. No need when they go take this stress. No need when they say they do this one. She's out of it. She have late. She don't late. She come for track. All those one when just they try to bring herself back. She cannot come back to that track again. Somebody will do they cry for passport when she so did this social media over 10 years. Now she did cry for passport. Courage today. Around 2017, he don't already they cry for passport. 2017 or 2017, even when live video never they will call record put for Facebook. She don't already they cry. He get one of her video when they one fake account when it's everybody can't get passport. You see that video? That video was long time. The time when her friend, you see say her friend get passport. Now that time she take do that audio video. She could put her for war. That time live video never did. See the times 2016 when she they talk to me. I don't already pay my due for passport. Now she they cry put courage today so. 2026, with 2016. How many years be that one? That one 10 years. She still they cry. Me when they mention her name, I don't already get the document when they put it for passport. I get them around that kind 2014. 2015. Now they get that document when they put it for passport. If they just give you, you can take it there. Now she still they cry courage today. Oh yeah, talk. I beg go if you now want wash nyash, she will go wash our nyasho. She never start to dey. If she no even know work, she never even work. She know dey work. She's a jobless woman. She just dey comot for house. After you don't drive car, or if you can't come back, she'll come like down say, she'll come like down later. You come talk say you come from school. Now language school, now she dey go. Even the language school when she dey go, she no fit compose herself. She could do learn. And somebody when they use English, they teach for inside class. She can't speak good English. She can't speak quiz English. She's still fooling herself. Yeah? Go one or another, see us. Cancel us. Cancel us after many years in Europe. You are talking to me. Now me own this house. This is my house. I will prove it to you. Today's they go and mark it. When I'm done, I will say and say, see, I've renovated my house. You don't they cry for this house. They cry. And you go cry. Bye.
I cried. Now they call everybody. Now they group them together, please. Some people really use their money to buy what they are enjoying. It's not fake life. What's fake life? Fake life is when you claim what you don't have.
What are you enjoying now? Wait till you enjoy. You go wake up in the morning, your face go be like sugo. In the afternoon, your face go be like sugo. What did you enjoy now? Look at the place where you live. Kike. See, skiff or lelek. Kike. You see your phone. See the place you live. See lelek. Kike. See. I beg go. Now she go wash my nyash, oh, my people. Now she go wash my nyash. Government go they help me, they pay her money, make they wash my nyash. Not go chuka for my toto. I pray. Oh yeah, no, you know if you get with she they talk again.
What you are not. Suffering and smiling is the type of self-love. Self-love, oh, not even fake life. Like, okay, fake like this one.
Already drop now only self-love. Self-love never live fake life. Look at somebody on a human. Or might say 50 years. She don't old. She's old woman. Oh. Her daughter don't drop out of school. A woman without no good future. I want to bring children. I want to give good upbringing to her children. She has no future. Crying for passport. Oh my God. My son renew passport 2 times. He renew 5 years 2 times. The last 5 years when he renew, and I take put in for adult. You see, he renew passport 2 times. He renew 5 years, renew 5 years. When the 5 years expire, now he take renew when he can take whole adult passport. Now, my son no there with a teenage passport. See, you know they with teenage passport. He renew 5 years for passport. He renew another 5 years passport again. As he expire, he can't go renew for adult passport. I dey with my son. Now me with you want to do this thing. You will know if you ever see a shadow of passport. The man shadow of passport. Me when they talk, I renew my passport. 10 years, I don't renew, and you see they shout. I be your mate like that. I be your mate. Yeah. You know, get what they talk, say. Enemy not talk. You know, get what they talk.
Most percentage of our own suffering and smiling is like in our hand.
Yeah, this one, you know, get what they talk. She's not saying anything. Oh, I just ignore frustration. Also, look by you. For my solo is self-love. It go solo for my body. If you come out for my body, it go enter Rita body. If you come out for Rita body, it go enter Lolo. If you enter Lolo, come out for Lolo, it go enter this video now. A lot of people there inside. You see, she's suffering. You can see it in her. She's suffering. Why is she crying? Egbe ma okoy. Egbe ma okoy. She's suffering. I don't know why she's crying. Why are you crying? Now she will go wash my nyash. Oh, now I'm eating okay. She will come wash my nyash, my people. My people, now I go dey. I for say make I use the daughter. Oh, take end down. Wait, make I use am take end down. This is another one dey bitter. You no get wetin you talk. Na nyama nyama. I say make I bring that part come.
Now with the
Wait, me I go find that daughter. Oh, who no frustrate. Who normally put children in order. Our daughter drop out of school. Cancel us. Everywhere cancel. Cancel. This my house not be cancel house. Hey, we're not being. It's not a castle house, okay? This my house is my house. Castle house. Hold on, see castle house. They remove a wine for there. See castle house, yeah. Go what? Castle house. See castle house, yeah. It's on my house. Now I go show you outside of my house. You know that I live better than you. So. Wait, let's go there. Cancel house. Cancel house. The one on our vehicle. Go boy, you can't. Where first are the call? Wait, now this video. You know, I want just not be big. Wait. Let's play this. Maybe this one thing down. The shame will make her be cry so. I'm coming, wait. You are walking now. Why not go for it there?
Hello, Monica.
Hello, darling. How are you?
Remember me? We were in the same English class in college.
Oh my God, who is that?
My name is Marie.
Marie, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
I don't see you in college anymore.
Really? Where? Which college?
I'm in Belfast.
They see her daughter for college again. A mother of a dropout child. Everything we wire fail. We like the passport to fail. Or wagbo for abroad you fail. It's school where your pikin still enter. You never reach 5 months. You still fail. Oh, blah, your pay. You're going to release your pay. I will treat your pay well. No worry. Now this one now I go be my national anthem.
Have you left?
No, we just graduated from. No, I'm still there. Which level are you now?
I am level 2.
Okay, which teacher are you?
My teacher's called Sakina.
Oh no, we are in different class.
So that's why I haven't seen you.
Yeah, we are in different class. Which day did you go to school? Maybe that's why we don't see.
Or we live a fake life. What is this now? Is it not fake life? A child from her child's school called that she don't longer see her child in the school premises again. She's just shoving it to herself. She's the one the girl is talking to. Not you. The girl is asking about your daughter. Your daughter do not come to school anymore. She left. People, when he left school like that, is drop out. She dropped out. She left. You see, a failure.
Which of the days?
I go on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then a Friday.
Okay.
Thank
That is the
you.
reason why we
Oh
don't
my
see
God.
anymore.
You catch the body language. Is it young? Yes, young kid. I mean, young can. The body language show it. Oh yeah, drop out in a school. She just a failure. A failure working. Dora is out of school. How you dey, my darling? Good morning. Her body language. Her daughter drop out of school. The pikin don spend 5 months. No drop out. Man gba over, man get the person wey children dey tell am fuck you, but they give am middle finger, tall, fuck you, afankulo. That finger wey your pikin dey give you, it means the word means in Italy, afanculo. To say afanculo, troia di menda. Na the fuck you, na the afanculo, vantene. Body language show, my darling.
I'm in another days. Yeah. Okay, Marie.
Was I speaking to you?
Nice speaking to you. Bye. Oh.
This is another
Any go slow down with this way. Any cause man no go man with the worry man na we live na ye de bona ya fe do na ye party egbe wa de o be re wa kwe ka de daga ti lili mulu.
By the time she knows she fucked up. She won't swap that call and one user to deceive her follower. She don't even have follow anymore. Nobody watch her again because she's not making sense. You say you can see it in her body language. She's a fed mother. Look at the place. She the same message of me say, hey, my darling, she said she'll go wash my nyash if I old. Now she will come to wash my nyash. I will take it there so that I will tell you people bye bye. I have a place going this morning. Oh my God, this thing pay high.
In another day. Where are you now?
I'm in
open the gate.
I'm in another day.
Why?
You hear English? I'm in another day or another year. A language school for 2 years now. You see, they speak. I'm in another day. You go dream another day. I'm in a.
How many is this? Una de ya bring me I put her for speaker. Me I put her for speaker. Also, baby, mo come again in social media say. Also, baby, again in social media say. Make I put her for speaker, but people know what done boy. Upo jara. Agbeno yari no we. Ni masin gbeke yin ere gbasi yan bo.
Hello, Monica.
Hello, darling. How are you?
Remember me? We were in the same English class in college.
Oh my God, who is that?
My name is Marie.
Marie, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
I don't see you in college anymore.
Really? Where? Which college?
I'm in Belfast Met. Have you left?
No, we just graduated from. No, I'm still there. Which level are you now?
I am level 2.
Okay, which teacher are you?
My teacher's called Sakina.
Oh no, we are in different class.
Oh, so that's why I haven't seen you.
Yeah, we are in different class. Which day do you go to school? Maybe that's why we don't see. Which of the days?
I go on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then a Friday.
Okay. That is the reason why we don't see anymore. I'm in another days. Yeah. Okay, Marie.
It was nice speaking to you.
Nice speaking to you. Bye.
You know, when you lie to white people, only the answer they will give you, if you they talk to Igbo, Igbo don't say you they lie. You go say, My daughter not dey go school again. She's a big failure. Madu. She's a big failure. It's a shame. She's a fucked up, shameless woman. She said she want to divorce my nyash. She said, me, I dey tell say I travel. As I did the social media, I never enter flight. I never enter flight. If that summer holiday when I did take, now my country now for the enjoy my summer holiday. You see it? Mm-hmm. Stop lying. I never come one day say I travel there. Even when my daughter tell me last year, say no travel, go speak together. I tell my daughter, say I know if you waka. I be that kind of person when I know they like to waka. And if I want to travel, I will travel to a country where be say I will be fine. You see, you don't tell when she dey cry for this my house. Very long time. She's crying. Value not dey my this thing. Value dey o. Na your value not dey. Value not dey. Now people they comment put. There is value. Check your phone. You know, that's it. She dey cry for this house. You see, if I renovate, there is a place when I will renovate for this. And if I renovate and finish, give you people when you dey life, I will say, wow, lovely, true, buy this house. I will renovate and give you that particular place. Now, who hold a property? Now they renovate there. If I renovate and finish, I will show you that particular place. If you own a property, when you renovate that particular place, they would say, wow, yeah, now lovely, now I get. I don't tell when they cry for this house. Don't tell for very long time. Aduro, you don't come out for Aduro, you don't be government house. Aduro. Don't cry. Then they give lovely 100. They say every month now they give me 50 euro. Then I live more than you. I'm not the hear at all. You know they hear at all. I think there is something wrong. I'm not spending. Nothing do the value now. She value get problem. Yeah, she left here with nothing. I say I swear, if he get document when they put for when they apply for passport before he come for this country. Make he give the document to her children. Her children don't reach 18 years. Make she give the document to her children. Make her children come use and apply for passport. Even if say that document expire, you go renew and you don't go pay. That document when they put it for passport. If that document you they renew and they go even say you know use and you know put it for passport, or they deny you or you thief. Now it make you no fit put it for passport. Anytime when it expire, you go renew. You go renew. They're not going to say come pay money before you go renew. No, because it's already a document where they put for passport. If she get that document, if she leave this country with that document, I dare her. And they send this sound message for her, say, may she give the document to her children, because her children don't pass teenage. Her children, they are adults now. Even the last one don't enter adult. May she carry the document. When she dey tell say I get document, the document when I take comot for this country, then they fit use and take put it for passport. The time you left this country with your children they were still teenage. Now your children they are adult. Please give them that same document because they get your mama get document, pikin go get document. Give them the document. Make they take collect that land. Make they use and take put in for passport by themselves. Because if mama steal, now the steal when mama steal, I make they no give the mama passport. Your sin no go hold your pikin for Bodoyibo. Give them the documents. When they shall say the document, when she lied for her friends, say she get document when they take they put it for passport. She was lying. This woman, she's a pathetic liar. She lied to me. Okay, maybe mama. Sorry. Yeah, now you. Yeah, but people, may I go back? I get where they go. Use the bottom time. Now this thing pay where he paid now. This video, con shock. This video, I love it because you know they laugh. So they laugh people when the better person.
They confess what you problem. I'm good. I'm decline nation. How many is this? Look at Una de ya been me. I put her for speaker.
She not get.
Me I put her for speaker.
She not get.
Also, baby, we will come again in the rest social media say.
Yeah.
Also, again in the rest.
Yeah, she did not have any document from the Netherlands. Did you know why she's deceiving people? Let me just put that little bit of it. Because, you know, say, he say your husband can't go school for Netherlands. You know, when her husband came here to go school, as she talk, you know, na international school, now your husband can't go there. They give her international passport. Now that passport now they put visa. They give her visa, international visa. Now they take the work everywhere when the passport full for visa. If they go London for here, you go, how can you from Europe? You go from Netherlands, go Italy, you go put visa. This one, if they go France, you go put visa. If they go here, you go put visa. Because the man was international. Now he take on go school for here. The people when they stamp visa for their Nigeria passport. Years back, when they process my paper, when you go to immigration office, ask anybody, when you go to immigration office, then they get the place where they stay. They will say, if you want to renew your visa, then the people that have the country document, they get the part where they stay. They get the part where they stay. If you are with a visa, a passport that hold visa, you have the place where you stay. If you get this country document, you get the place where you stay. Go to any country, they have it in their embassy, in their immigration office where they do issue paper. The passport with visa, those people that came from Nigeria with visa, they not be the same seat with who gets the country document. If you want to go renew and not be the same place that they stay. This one will stay, this one they go write on visa. If you want to renew your visa. Then if you want to renew permanent to stay, let alone permanent to stay, then they write and put. We know everything about documents. She just making noise. She knew that I know. Now the visa, now they work out, they go. That one where they say his husband carry red passport. Your husband don't carry red passport. That all the old passport where they are, all of them are green. He used this thing, he used red passport, Netherlands red cover passport. You know, say passport they get cover. She used cover passport, take cover that her passport. No one tell her to make it open her. Anytime if you want to open her, she go shift her. She cover Nigeria green passport. She cover her with the cover of European passport cover. Now she take cover her. She know, now make her. She go come the road. She come the. You want me? I come to use my passport. They follow and they fight. I am too big to bring my passport. Come, I don't big. You know what you talk? He said 30 years. I get passport 30 years. And they say 30 years when you spend for abroad. You don't get passport. I bet I don't want to stay here.
Social media say. Make I put on for speaker the people. What boy?
in college.
Oh my God, who is that?
My name is Marie.
Marie, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
I don't see you in college anymore.
Really? Where? Which college?
I'm in Belfast Met. Have you left?
No, we just graduated from... No, I'm still there. Which level are you now?
I am level 2.
Okay, which teacher are you?
My teacher's called Sakina.
Oh no, we are in different class.
So that's why I haven't seen you.
Yeah, we are in different class. Which day do you go to school? Maybe that's why we don't see. Which of the days?
I go on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then a Friday.
Okay. That is the reason why we don't see anymore. I'm in another days.
That is why this girl don't see her daughter anymore, because her daughter is a dropout little girl. The girl don't drop out. The girl not dey this again. You see her? Make her the answer say, where pikin? Because they don't say the pikin don't enter university. Even they say that they could enter university for London, but not be that age of your pikin. Lie. Not be that age. Now 18 years, now you take the enter college. 18, 17. Then you go spend 3 years. After 3 years, you go for another course again when you want carry. When you want to enter university, now there, you go follow that. This if now doctor anything when you want to do. Now that last course when you want carry, now that one you will take enter university. You see, huh? Now we say sometimes they go spend 3 years. They come enter university age of 21 years, 20 years, depends of how the child, not be the one when do go back. You know. You see it, that's it. Jesus, she lied too much. Yeah. You say which college? She know the college, oh. Her daughter is a dropout now. Because she never do things for her daughter like that. She go say where passport they enter, other people they enter document they enter. There is a document where there is some things when you go they do, they will ask you passport. That is why when you see children don't they reach around that kind of 18 years, the passport is already ready. Because there is a place where you will go. Every children that was born here, even if say their mama get documents late, before they go reach 18 years, they go get. Now maybe they say, okay, even if say your parents never take answer, say your parents get document where they take the put it for passport, you go and take it. There is a lot of mothers, they never do their passport, but their children don't get. That is it. The little child don't drop out. Don't drop out. Maybe all her children, when they give them middle finger, when they tell them fuck you. If you all carry camera, you just give them fuck you. Because they are not even happy. They drag the call social media, they drag them, they call, and that thing way they do her children don't need that. No children for abroad need that thing. What should they do? No children. At the end of the day, maybe he repeat. He repeat. He couldn't make it because it's not easy, eh? To enter college, it is na moi. It's not easy. At the end of the day, that's it. Let her deal with it.
Yeah. Okay, Marie.
It was nice speaking to you.
Nice speaking to you. Bye. Oh.
See, she want to do damage control now. Madu, see, she want to do damage control. See. She want to control wetin happen. She want to control to her fans.
Slow down with this way, because say man no go man the worry man na wile na ye ne bona ya fe do na ye kwati egbe wa de obere wa kwe ka de daga ti lili mulu ni ma bona lawe egbe anu ajo.
See her. By the time she knows she fucked up. And when they do video, maybe with the analyzer, where you for they cry. And if you insult me, I'll call analyzer. You know me now. And they analyze everybody. You just they do one where we so tall, the one when you do that day now when you cry. Hi. I can't tire. I can't say the next day I go analyze that video. She delete am this whole thing. That day when she dey do that video, I want the life am. I can't tire. I can't say if they break, I go carry the video. When e come reach in the afternoon, I know I less busy. I come to say make I go analyze this woman video where she disgrace herself finish for there. The disgrace was too much, the crime was too much. She can't delete the video. She delete the video. The something pay me. You can't delete the video. I not see that video analyze. I beg, just the cut am, make her the analyze am. Yeah, they cut am. My people, we are leaving for now. Bye bye. See you later.